what we look forward to 2026, actually we have a lot in store, no, in terms of sa technology, and we have that full support. Marami tayo in terms of AI and innovation. So we are looking forward to that, and as part of IT, we will be in full support of where the company is going. So looking forward to 2026. Thank you.
Maraming salamat po sila, ma'am.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'd just like to say thank you to everyone, to our dear press na nag-attend dito ngayon, and to our beloved leaders. Welcome and thank you.
Everybody, thank you for coming, press people. You are our friends, no? And for many years you have supported us. And of course to our business owners, no? Gagwa pati gaganda ninyo. No, hindi ko kayo nakilala. No? Thank you for coming. No? Ilang po.
Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you to our friends from the press. Thank you for all the support that you've given us over these years. Thank you to our handsome and beautiful business owners, our Sante leaders, without whom we would not have achieved the level of success that we have right now. And of course, our handsome CEO, our visionary leader, and of course the members of the board. Thank you very much.
Ayan.
Of course, we'd like to thank the members of the press, our friends from the press. We've been meeting them for quite some time already. And thank you for always being here whenever we have an event like this. And of course, to our business owners. To our business owners, relax lang muna ha. Huwag muna ikikwento because I'll be announcing that later on during our event. That's one of our surprises for them. The DSAP registration, we got the certificate yesterday. Alright, fresh na fresh yan. Gusto namin fresh talaga, diba? So, this year marks the 19th year anniversary of the company, and what are in store for everybody is we will be building Sante in more countries. We're about to open Saudi Arabia and Canada very soon. We're launching the Sante Next AI. It's an innovation when it comes to the company, our products, our compensation system, and of course, our technology. So, a lot of exciting things this year. Kumbaga ang Sante nagdibo last year, and since nagdibo na siya, we are now, parang di ba dalaga, di ba? Nagdibo na. We're now giving our daughter to the world, di ba? So, Sante will be known not only in the Philippines, but all over the globe. So, a lot of exciting things that will happen this 2026 onwards.
Congratulations, Sante.
Number one, it's an adventure. It's an adventure. From day one, it's a series of innovation, series of ups and downs, series of moving forward. One thing about the company is from day one, we've always aspired to develop a local company from the Philippines and building it globally. All right. So it's not an easy task. But because of these wonderful people around me, they are we call them our business owners. They are our distributors, our top distributors. The reason why they are business owners because kasama namin talaga sila sa negosyo from day one. And for the past 19 years, we've built a global brand, a proud Filipino company. And soon, this will be a force to reckon with, not only in the direct selling arena, but in the wellness arena.